Naidu. Welcome to SFDC scenarios. Today we will see two comparison operators in LLC. So those are triple equal and double equal. Okay. So first we will see what is the use of double equal in JavaScript. Okay. So returns true if the operands are equal. It will only compare the value. It doesn't check a data type. Okay. So what double equal will do is it will just check the values. It doesn't check the data types. Okay, only one condition needs to be satisfied. It means that if the values are same, then it will just return true. It doesn't check, a data types. Okay, see here I have created two variables. EMP salary is of integer string data type, so 25,000, and I have created one more variable, employee salary. Okay, and I have given 20 some value to it, so 25,000. Okay, so this is belongs to integer data type. Okay, so here I'm making comparison. Okay, so I'm trying to compare the first variable and the second variable, right? The first variable is emp salary and the second variable is employee salary. Okay, so here I'm just putting double equal. Okay, so what it will return is it will return true because values are same, right? So it doesn't check the data type. That's the reason it is returning, it is printing true. Okay, so we have triple equal as well. Okay, so returns true if the operands are equal and of the same data type. It will return false if the data types are different. Okay, so triple equal, what it does is, right? So it will check the values and it will check the data type. Both conditions needs to be satisfied in triple equal. But whereas in double equal, only only one condition needs to be satisfied because it doesn't check the data type. Okay, so but whereas in triple equal, right? So it will check the values and as well as it will check the data types. Okay, so here I have created two variables. One is of string data type and other variable is of integer data type. Now I'm doing comparison here. I'm trying to compare the first reference variable name and the second variable. Now now it will return false because one condition is okay. So it will check the data type as well, right? So that's the reason it is printing false. Okay, so moving on to other slide. So see here I have created two variables, right? So one is of integer data type and other one is also of integer data type. I'm doing comparison here, right? So so values are same and the data types also same, right? So then in that case, it will print true. Now we will just write the code in the console. Let me just inspect. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just create two variables. Okay, so let me create EMP salary. Let me create one variable of integer data type, sorry, string data type. Let me create one more variable of integer data type. Okay, so let me do the comparison. EMP salary, e EMP salary equal to EMP sal, right? So this is a double equal, right? So what is happening is it will only check the values. It doesn't check the data type. That's the reason, right? It is returning true. Now, what I'll do is I'll just try to, show you the negative scenario as well. So let EMP sal equal to 24,000. It is of string data type, and let me create one more variable of integer data type and 20. Let me give some value. Just want to see the negative scenario. So now what I'll do is I'll just do the comparison. EMP sal equal to EMP cell. So now what is happening? So it is returning false because the values are different. That's the reason it is returning false. Let me just clear the console and we will see the second scenario. Triple equal. Okay, so let me just clear it. Okay, so now okay, so let me just inspect it. Console. So now what I'll do is, so we will just try to see the examples of triple equal. So I'm creating two variables, employee sal of string data type. Let me create one more variable, employee emp sal. Okay, so this is of integer data type, so 25,000. Now I'll do the comparison, emp sal equal to equal triple equal emp sal. Okay, so it is returning false, right? So why it is returning false? Here the values are same, right? So one condition is satisfied. So it will check the data type as well. The first variable is of string data type. That's the reason it is returning false. Now what we will do is we will try to do the comparison with the with of same data type. Okay, so let me just clear the console. Let emp 25,000 and let emp salary. Okay, so 25,000. Okay, so now let me do the comparison. EMP salary equal triple equal to EMP salary. So now it will return true because values are same and the data type is also same, right? So that's the reason it is returning true. Thanks guys. I hope you understand the session.